What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today we are going to be getting into all of the PrePoos that are in my stash. I don't have a lot of PrePoos, thank goodness, but I do have some that I want to share with you. And again, I don't pre-poo a lot, so I'm not really concerned about these getting me through 2026, but hopefully they will. And some of these can be used as other things. So even though I don't use a lot of PrePoos, it doesn't mean that I wouldn't repurchase these to be used as something else, okay? So let's get into it and I'll explain. Alrighty, so the first PrePoo that I have is the Nature's Little Secret Fenugreek PrePoo. It comes in a regular jar, but this is kind of loose, so I decided to put it in this jar with a pump just to make it a little bit easier to apply to the hair without being as messy. I've had other Fenugreek PrePoos from her that weren't quite this loose, so I'm not sure, you know, what's going on, but her ingredients are natural. So, you know, you may not always get the same consistency in the PrePoo. So this one happens to be a little bit watery. I have had it on my shelf for a while, so that could have something to do with it. But nonetheless, I put it in this. This is it. I'm going to use it up. And then I probably would not repurchase this, not because it's not good, but because I prefer the next PrePoo that I'm going to show you. Okay, so the next PrePoo I have is also from Nature's Little Secret, which is really good as well. This is the Papaya 2-in-1 PrePoo conditioner. This is the one that I love and I would repurchase. I'm not going to open it because these are new. I actually have 3 of them. That's how much I love them. They are a cream consistency, so I prefer a cream consistency over the more slimier consistencies. So that's why I would not repurchase this. Not because this is not good or this doesn't work. It is and it does, but I just prefer the cream over that one. I feel like it has so much slip. I feel like it just goes onto my hair really well without the mess and things like that. So this one is my favorite, and this one actually can be doubled as a rinse out conditioner as well. That's why it's a 2-in-1, and that's another reason why I would repurchase this one over that one, because I can use it as a conditioner or as a PrePoo. I have 3 of these. Okay, the next item I have that I'm going to show you is the Main Choice Soft as Can Be 3-in-1 conditioner. I actually showed this, I believe, in my leave-ins, if I'm not mistaken. But this is a 3-in-1, so you can actually use it as a co-wash, a leave-in detangler, or a rinse out, I believe. So anyway, this would not be a repurchase for me for a leave-in. I didn't quite like it for that. So what I'm going to do is use it as a PrePoo detangler. Or a rinse out detangler, and I didn't think to put this with my rinse outs, so I'm just going to put it here with the PrePoos, because most likely I'll just apply it to my hair, detangle my hair, whatever, and then go in and shampoo. So that's kind of how I'm going to use this. So that's why I have it here, just to get it used up, because again, I didn't care for it as a leave-in for some reason, but I might like it as a detangler, so we'll see. That's how I'm gonna try it, and then after I use it up, it wouldn't be a repurchase. The next thing I have in my stash is 2 of the Trelux Soothe and Restore Aloe Vera Curl Primers. These are actually multi-use products as well, so you can use this as a detangler, as a PrePoo, which is how I love to use it, but it also is a refresher. So if I had a wash and go, or you know, even a twist out, I could put this on dry hair, retwist my hair, and get it to look really nice. Or I can put it on the ends of frizzy wash and go pieces and twirl it up, and it'll get your hair back refreshed. I have used it as that, and I do like it as that. And then it's also a curl primer, so you can use this kind of as a leave-in before your gel and get really good wash and go, or you can use it before your cream and on a twist out, or before your mousse on a twist out or wash and go, and get really good results as well. So this one is nice. This is the one, like I said, that I could possibly repurchase once these are gone, and I could use them as a PrePoo, or I can use them as for those other ways that you know, they say to use it. But this is really good, guys. I like this curl primer, and I'm glad that I had, this one's almost gone. It's probably down to here. So technically I have one left, and hopefully it will get me through to the 26th. I also have the Pattern Detangling Nectar that I use as a pre-poo as well. I like this as a pre-poo too. I just recently used it, but I will say that if I had my choice, I would pick the Trelux over this one. This one is a kind of real clear serum-y, not even serum, it's just, it's kind of watery like consistency, but it does have some slip to it, where the Trelux is more of a, oh, it's loose too, but it's more creamy. And it even just, you can feel the moisture in this, so it's more aloe vera like consistency. So I prefer it over the Pattern. And before, I really liked both of them, and I was like, ooh, you can get either one. But when I just recently used both of them again, the Trelux did win out in my opinion. So I will buy it probably over the Pattern. They're both, you know, a little bit higher than what you would pay for this, or, you know, the regular African Pride pre-poo, things like that. So yeah, but it's not bad. I am going to use it as a detangler. Now, this is also one, it doesn't really say that you could use this as a leave-in, but other people have said that you could, but it doesn't say it on this particular bottle. So I am going to use it as a detangler. But I will say this, it doesn't say to rinse. Apply to wet or dry hair, evenly section hair before distributing the formula. Apply product on each section from roots to ends. Detangle hair from ends to roots with the wide tooth comb or the brush. Pro tip, spray section with the hydration mist before applying the detangling nectar for enhanced slip. So it doesn't say to rinse it out. So that's probably why some people are using it as a detangling leave-in. I have not used it as a leave-in. I said I wanted to, and I just haven't gotten around to it. So I still might try to get around to it while I still have a lot in here. But for me, this is a pre-poo. I normally just use this to pre-poo my hair and then I shampoo. But it can be used as a leave-in, it sounds like, because it definitely doesn't say to rinse it out. So there you go. I like products that you can get multi-uses out of, but I also like them to say how to use them and what they're for. You know what I mean? So the fact that this doesn't say to rinse it out, it doesn't say that you can leave it in underneath other styles and stuff like that, it makes it kind of confusing. But there you go. So I do have that. Also from Pattern, I have the Bounce Back Pre-Poo. I picked this up when she dropped it, and I saw Minx Kinks try this out, and I was like, okay, let me see about this. But then I haven't used it yet. I was thinking it was just a pre-poo, but after I saw Minx Kinks use it, she was saying that it was more like for, you know, if you have your hair heat styled and you're trying to revert it back. Yeah, it says apply evenly from root to tip on dry hair. Let it sit 15 minutes until curl reversion is complete. Rinse with water. Follow using the shampoo, conditioner of choice. Use with the shower cap in the shower for a deep treatment. So this is more for, you know, reverting your curls back from heat styled hair. So that's why I haven't used it yet, because I don't heat style like that. But I do have it. It's a Bounce Back Pre-Poo. If I decide to stretch my hair, heat style it or something, I have it on hand, so I can't speak to it. Most likely I wouldn't repurchase it once I use it up, because I just don't heat style like that. And normally when I do, I am not too worried about my curls reverting, and I'll just use, you know, something else for that. I don't know. I don't know. Right now, I don't know. That's a I don't know. Okay, another pre-poo I have is from Rae. This is the Detox Pre-Wash Rinse Pre-Poo. And I will say, guys, that the Rae is on sale. I think they were having a Mother's Day sale. I don't know when this video is going to go out, so I'm saying that they were having a Mother's Day sale because it may go out after Mother's Day, but if it doesn't, then go ahead and click the link in my description box to get over to that sale so you can pick up your products. I think if you buy the RaeRae, then you'll get $50 worth of other things for free. But if this comes out after Mother's Day, they're still having a Memorial Day sale as well. So again, the RaeRae is going to be on sale. If you're looking at it, it's the perfect time to do it. So again, click that link down below, get over to that sale and save you some money if you're interested in the RaeRae or any of their products. So this is their detox pre-wash rinse, and so you'll put this on your hair before you shampoo. It says apply generously to wet hair, massage to help remove product buildup, rinse thoroughly, repeat as needed, and then use the shampoo for best results afterwards. So again, if you are someone who straightens your hair a lot, he styles your hair, blow dries it a lot or something like that, these products from RaeRae are really good for that. They have protein in them to help, strengthen the hair and things like that from the heat styling. So yeah, this is a pre-wash that you can use for that. And I have used it once and I like it. I thought it was okay, but again, I don't heat style my hair a lot. So I still have it on hand. I haven't used it up or anything, so I do need to reuse it. And I'm gonna break out my RaeRae pretty soon anyway. Okay, so speaking of some of the other less expensive PrePoos that's out there that people love, one that I have on hand is the Just For Me Curl Piece Tender Head PrePoo Detangler, which looks like this. This one is really good. You can find this on the ground. It's about $5, something like that. At least it used to be. I don't know what it is with inflation now. I haven't purchased it for a while. I just have this on hand. These are the ones that I pick up for my son. When he needs one, I'll give it to him and let him take it back. Or if he's here hanging out, then I'll detangle his hair with it or whatever. So I keep this on hand for him. It's pretty good. And then the other one I have that is in the same vein is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. Long name, okay? They're very similar. They work just the same. They're around the same price as well. I picked both of mine up from Sally Beauty. I don't know if you have a Sally Beauty in your area, but if you don't, you probably could find these at your local beauty supply store. And I'm not sure where else you can find them. I usually get mine from Sally's when they're having a sale. I don't necessarily get these on sale because they're already $5, but when they're having their sale, I'll pick up things in the sale and then I'll tack these on just to have one or two in my stash. So I still have one of these. Both of these are very good for detangling your hair and they're very inexpensive. So if you haven't tried them, you might want to pick these up and try them first before you try some of the other ones, except for this one. This one is my favorite out of all of these, okay? Nature's a Little Secret, Papaya 2-in-1 PrePoo. That's my favorite out of all of these. So if I'm going to recommend one, I'm gonna recommend this one. But if you don't wanna order and you want something a little less expensive, then I'll recommend these, okay? Okay, there are two others that I have in my stash that I have not tried before. So of course they're gonna be, well, one I haven't tried before, one I have, don't remember a lot about it. I think I tried it. Let's just get into it. So the first one is the JOS or J Organics Shebe Kato PrePoo Hair Mask. It looks like this. So I would put this on first, let it sit a little bit, I believe is what it says. It says before cleansing, apply a generous amount to dry hair. Use fingers or comb to detangle, rinse thoroughly. For dry damaged hair, leave on 15 or 30 minutes and then follow up with a shampoo. So this is what you would put on to detangle your hair before you shampoo. They just call it a hair mask because you can let it sit for a while, really, soften the hair, condition it, get those tangles out, and then you would shampoo after. So I have not tried this before. I do need to use it, break into it and use it. So that's a I don't know. And then the last one I have on hand is the Hibiscus and Shebe Detangling Conditioner. from Now I Am Nappy. It is a detangle, it's supposed to detangle and moisturize. This has been used. Okay, I don't remember a lot about it. I do have a review on the Now I Am Nappy on my channel. I'll try to link it, but it says after cleansing, distribute on wet hair, applying evenly from root to tip, detangle hair, rinse after 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so this is one that's just a detangling conditioner, not necessarily a pre-poo. So this is more like a rinse out. Did I put this in my rinse outs? I can't keep track. I got so many products, I can't keep track. Did I put this in my rinse outs? I may have. Okay, so disregard this. This is not a pre-poo. It is not a pre-poo. However, I'm gonna go back and look at my video, because if I didn't quite like it as a rinse out, I might use it as a pre-poo just to get rid of it. I might use it before shampooing just to get rid of it if it's supposed to detangle the hair like that. So we'll see, okay? But anyway, that is it, guys, for my pre-poo. So like I said, it wasn't a lot. I do have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for sure's that can get me through 2026. So I'm good with pre-poos. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5 that if I need to use to pre-poo, I could. And there are ones that I don't know about. I have to revisit or break into to even know that I like them. So there's 5 of those. So I have more of my loves than I do of the I don't know. So we good there. All right, guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.